In this video, we will take a look at how to set up our system to offer daily bookings. We should point out that SimplyBook.me is optimized for hourly booking. However, this workaround will allow you to set it up to book full days and multiple days. Let's start by navigating to Time Settings, Company Opening Hours. Here we will set the schedule so that only one time slot is available per day. Bear with me, it will make more sense as we continue. I will switch to the advanced view for demonstration purposes. The idea is to treat a unit of time as a whole day. Let's navigate to Manage Services to set up our services respectively. We can create a new service for this purpose. I will name it according to the number of days that it should book and go to its time details to set the duration. My account's time frame is set to 30 minutes, so I'll be able to set the service duration up to 23 hours and 30 minutes, which, divided by 30 minutes, will allow bookings for up to 47 days if necessary. Consider this when setting up your account. If a 23-day limit per booking is enough for you, you can use the 1-hour time frame. Since I configured the availability to 30 minutes per day, each 30-minute interval will represent a whole day. So I will set it to 1 hour and 30 minutes for a 3-day booking. We can also hide the service duration on the booking page so your clients only see the duration specified in the service name. If you want to offer more than 23 days at a time, you can adjust the time frame in Settings, Main Configuration, Event Date, and Time-related settings. While we're here, in order for bookings to roll over from one day to the next one, we will enable both Allow Service to Extend over Break Time and Allow Service to Extend over Closing Hours options and save changes. All done, now multiple days can be booked according to the duration you've configured. Additionally, you can consider using Custom CSS to replace the times in the available slots with Book Now or a custom message. If you'd like to offer more flexibility, we can suggest setting up extra days as service add-ons so your clients can add them before checking out. Please refer to the detailed tutorial in the description below for a step-by-step guide to setting this up. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.